So with the advent of quick commerce and the changes in retail landscape, the buying behavior has changed diversely. To be honest, what we generally thought will change in the next 15 to 20 years kind of changed in the last 2-3 years itself. So how do you think the buying behavior has changed, especially with quick commerce, same day deliveries, or even like the next day delivery has turned?
So in retail, obviously, there is two things we have to segregate it out. What I was saying to you, if you see, there is a need and a want difference. Okay. So whatever industry, if you see right now, which is going in quick commerce or it's growing at a very fast speed because of the impulsing buy, and that is your needs. But apparel industry, what we are in, what we see this is in want. When you see want is not right now looking like as a very big thing that may come up, but soon after 3 months you may see that there is some companies which were implementing or which are the first runners, which are the starters. They will get a benefit of it, which we are also looking out for, so that maybe we because with the number of stores that we have, we will get some benefit out of it with our hyper local things what we are looking out to grow with.
Of course. So do you think impulsive purchases have increased significantly after quick commerce, or was it something that was already there?
It has grown, means if you see, it is like the habits which companies are trying to put into you. So if you see from cab bookings to food deliveries and now this quick commerce, so it's like it's people are understanding that the value of time is more than money.
Yeah.
Which is becoming as an habit to you. And then when you see that this is something given you as a benefit, even there is a cost to it, you will go for it.
What are the top 3 things ABFRL as a house of brands is doing to meet these expectations?
So the very first thing is we are implementing with the large number of stores we have, around 2000 and 2500 stores we have. We are looking out for expanding it with hyperlocal. We are also looking out for expanding it to same day delivery and next day delivery. And we are also looking out for doing the quick deliveries what other platforms are doing. These are the things which is on in our roadmap, and we are looking out for doing that within a year or so.